By starting up RCX-Studio 2020 and connecting a PC to a controller, users can perform various operations on the controller and edit data. Regarding startup and connection, there are 3 videos from Part 1 to Part 3. This is the video Part 1, Overview of Connected Mode. In the target window of RCX-Studio 2020, users operate either an actual controller or an emulator. Users can manage multiple controllers on a project-by-project basis. One emulator is always paired with each controller. When a user switches operation targets, data can be synchronized from both the controller side and the emulator side. In online mode, RCX-Studio 2020 will be connected to a controller. Information of the controller will be displayed on the target window. Users can edit controller data and operate an actual robot on a PC in online mode. In offline mode, RCX-Studio 2020 will be connected to an emulator. Information of the emulator will be displayed in the target window. Users can edit emulator data in offline mode and able to use some functions such as 3D simulator function. Users can overwrite the latest controller data over an emulator when a user switches RCX-Studio 2020 from online mode to offline mode. Similarly, when a user switches RCX-Studio 2020 from offline mode to online mode, users can overwrite the latest emulator data over controller data. That is all for Part 1. Please continue to the next part.